So here it is, the Tom Wood Porsche 2025 Restoration Challenge 944 Cabrio. It looks like the wheels, they've taken them off and they've repainted them. They look good. They look brand new. Got some sanding here. Nice, smooth. Bunch of body work. That's pretty straight. Nice. They took the top off so it'd be easier to work on in here. And I think it's in good shape. So they got the headlight covers off and redoing those. A little bit more work to do, replacing this emblem. It looks a lot better than it did, for sure. Well, that's it. So far, looks like it's ready for paint. We'll keep you posted. Keep an eye out for the next post.